Hi, in front of me I have a Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by opening the settings on our phone. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the option called System and tap on it. Here tap on Languages and Input, then tap on Languages. And as you can see, we have language English, and we have only one language on the list. So to change the language, we need to tap on Add a Language. This will open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down. Find the language you like to use on your phone. For example, I don't know, maybe Deutsch, and tap on it to select it, of course. And now to change the language to Deutsch, we need to put the Deutsch at the first spot on the list. To do it, grab it by pressing and holding on this sorting button or sorting icon, like that, and then drag it to the top of the list, release it, and once you release it, the language will change, as you can see. And you can also remove the languages from the list. So for example, you want to have only one language, you don't want to have the secondary one, you can tap on the More Options icon, tap on the, maybe let's switch to English, that's gonna be easier. So tap on More Options, tap on Remove, select the language you want to remove, and then tap on the pen icon right here, then tap on Remove to confirm. And as you can see, the language is gone. And that's how you change the languages on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.